Assalamualaikum. Welcome to our channel RK Creators once again. In the previous video on Hypercam tutorial part 1, I told you how to draw a desired molecular model, calculates its geometry optimization energy, and about the different setups we use to draw a molecular model. After watching this video on Hypercam tutorial part 2, inshallah you shall be able to calculate the bond length, LOMO orbital energy, HOMO orbital energy of the desired molecule you draw, and how to draw a crystal molecular model. So let's start. Now I draw a benzene ring for you. For that I select a carbon atom. As we know that benzene ring has 6 carbon atom in a ring and 3 alternating double bond. So select the option build, then select add hydrogen, again select the option build, this time select model build option. Now you have a benzene ring. In order to calculate the bond length, select the option display, then select labels, highlight the option symbol and bond length. Now you have a bond length of all the bonds of benzene ring. In order to calculate the LOMO and HOMO orbitals energy, select the option compute. Here the orbitals option is not available, so first you do a geometry optimization. After geometry optimization, your orbitals option is available. Click it. Select the HOMO orbitals. As you know that HOMO orbitals are the highest occupied molecular orbitals. These are occupied by the electrons. Plot them. These clouds are the HOMO orbitals. HOMO are the highest occupied molecular orbitals. Now, in order to calculate the LOMO orbitals energy, again select compute, click orbitals. Now select the LOMO orbitals. LOMO mean unoccupied orbitals, as these orbitals are not filled by the electrons. Select the LOMO. This energy is associated with the LOMO orbitals. Then click on plot. These orbitals are LOMO orbitals, which are not occupied by the electrons. Now I will teach you how to draw a crystal model. For that, select the database, then select the crystal option, click the samples, then click on NaCl or any crystal you want to draw, then click on that option. Now you have a NaCl crystal. You can rotate it in 3D direction. You can change its display manner by selecting rendering, then select the option pulse. This is your Na crystal. Now I draw one more crystal for you guys. So again remove your file, select databases, select crystal, then select the sample option, then click that option. Now you have a diamond crystal. Again, if you want to change the display manner, click the rendering, select the balls option. Now you have a diamond crystal. I hope this video is fruitful for you guys. Comment section is open for you in case of any query. So do comment, like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.